guys, it's Jacob Trainer, and today we're back with another video. Today I'm here with my cousin, and today we are going to be trying out Crush
Pink, and Crush
Watermelon and Peach.
Yeah.
So, you have never done a YouTube video, right?
Yeah. Never
So,
ever in my life.
Shout out to him for his first YouTube video on my channel. Tell them who's the best YouTuber.
I don't really know any YouTubers, but I have. Why?
Okay,
so
let's taste. This is so hard to open. Right there. Ooh, it's pink.
oh, we're both green and this is both pink.
They actually look like Jolly Ranchers. Does it taste like a watermelon Jolly Rancher? Those are.
Oh my God! It actually tastes like a Jolly Rancher.
So you should try the Crush Watermelon if you like the watermelon Jolly Rancher. If you like the peach soda at Tim Hortons, this would be a great one for you. So this was the taste test.
Does that actually taste like peach?
Yeah, it tastes like the Tim Hortons.
Tastes like a real peach, and that tastes like real watermelon?
Yep.
Look at those colors.
These are.
They're kind of red and kind of pink.
Yeah.
This is dark pink and this is light pink.
This tastes like the Tim Hortons
Even
peach
though this
soda.
is green. Green, but watermelon inside is red.